I would like to talk about the 7 years, which is very healthy lifestyle. Number one is you need to cut the sugar. I'm sure that this came very recently in a WhatsApp. I thought of sharing with all of you. One is actually sugar. So I know that it's a very, as a student life, no, you might be eating a lot of sugars, lot of candies, right? Chocolates. Yes, it's a age, but please try to reduce it at least by 3/4. I'm not asking you to go to zero, right? It's not, after all, we are here to enjoy the life, no doubt. Just whatever, no, you are eating already, try to reduce the sugar by 3/4. And the next one, I want to reduce it to half. It's easily possible. Second is salt. So try to reduce your, this is, of course, this is only for the students, right? Who are in the age of 20 to 25 or whatever, right? That's the age. So reduce it to half. Salt. In fact, you will feel very enthused. You will feel very energetic if you do these two things, right? And the third one is stress. You need to reduce. I see that actually. In fact, I'm also a psychologist actually, by the way. So when I talk to the students, when I talk to the people over there, people are always comes with the stress. Any life, any walk of the life, not only IT, actually, people say stress. I will just laugh at them. What is stress? They cannot define. But they will say, I am only, I am fully stressed. And tell me, what is stress? They cannot tell, right? Somebody utilized this word stress, and whatever the tension we face in life, right? Of course, there is a definition for it, but please try to reduce that actually. As a student life is to enjoy, yes, it's also to study, no doubt. We are here to enjoy. That's what I did no, 96 to 99 in the Bishop Weber College. I really cherish all my moments, right? It's not only studies, I also involved in all the activities. That will also reduce your stress, right? That's very important. Please reduce the stress, right? And next one is, this is very important for all the students. I'm sure that in the latest COVID-19 situation, people actually started feeling, right, about that no side effects of the smoke. Please cut completely the smoke if you're already there. I'm sure I'm not introducing that. Okay. The next one is the sleep. Recharge. Sleep, actually, you need to sleep. As a student life, I see that no people study night at 12 o'clock and all. Whether you're studying it or not, they see movies, they do all other activities, and then come to the college. Yeah, it may be, as yes, you are all younger, so it may be easy for you. But please understand, as the life moves on, right? This is something, no, which you might have missed it out. Please sleep and recharge, be energetic. And the next one is, you all need to sweating it. Now I'm not seeing that in the latest student life. Very few, right? I'm not saying all. 5-10% of the people go to the gym, right? They run, they jog, they walk, right? They do all the things. Please try to do that. Actually, any of the activity, whatever you like, right? And thereby your future life will be good, right? Any of you would like to guess what is the seventh yes? Don't say support. Anybody would like to guess? What is the seventh
Singing, sir.
yes? Huh?
Smile.
Singing.
Smile.
Okay, good. The seventh yes is actually smile. Of course, there is one more 8 A's is there. I cannot talk about it here. Okay. So yeah, 7 A's for students is smile. Okay. We all need to smile as much as possible, right? Thereby, we all enjoy the student life, right? It is not only for office bearers, for all of us. Thereby, we can make our life success. Yes. We all know, right? Success is a journey, right? It's a continuous journey. Yes, we are actually starting it today. It's a journey. We need to continue it. You also need to, all of us need to office bearer, plus all the students, we need to believe in ourselves, right? We can do it, right? Success is not can't, and it is actually in the form of a can, right? And the next reason is success is a sum of all small effort. This is applicable for your studies also, right? What we study every day, what we study every week, what you do every month, every year, right? It all adds up to your life. I am a strong believer of this actually. Success is the sum of small effort. A lot of people ask me, right, why you did not do PhD earlier? Why not? Why now? Okay, the answer is very simple. It's a small effort. Okay, you need to. I actually use the lateral thinking in my PhD also. Satya sir might be knowing about it. So, that's also very important, right? Narrowing down your problem. Or otherwise, they will not even approve your no synopsis or the title. That there starts the lateral thinking. In fact, I actually wish all the success for all the BHC MCA association. I'm sure, to conclude it with one full statement, I'm sure the purpose of the association is this: creating leaders who learn how to follow, right? At the end of the day, we need to be both follower and leaders, and creating followers who lead who learn how to lead. I'm sure your association can do both, and it will be a applauding success for. I wish all of you all the best in the coming years, and thank you very much. And the best part of your life is all waiting for you as a student, and all the very best for all of you.